Today I will show you how to make a Word document on Android. You have to firstly install MS Word has been already installed in my Android. Just click on OK. Then after setting up it, click on plus icon, click on blank document. Then skip signing in. Here are some font options that you can customize. I am selecting a size of 26 and my topic is email. Then I am selecting a size of 11. Then just typing my text. And if you have to save your document, just click on this tick icon and your document has been saved. You can also view from here, or from file manager you can view it from, just simply go on file manager, then go to documents and your docs document is here. Here are several options as handwriting, highlights, font color, and all. You can also use this mic button like hello, and here you will write your text as simple as you want. Thank you for watching my video.